Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to video message on WhatsApp. So let's get right into it. We will go to the WhatsApp, select the contact where you want to send video message. Here in the voice note, you will see video message feature. You have to tap once at this feature and this will convert into video message. Just simply record your video same as voice message and send it to your contact. For now, I don't have this feature right now, but same as voice message, you can record video message and send it to your contacts. So that's it guys. How to video message on WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.